आता खबरो विस्तारान. बुधवारा मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका जाली. जॉब रिक्रुटमेंट विशयाचेर मुखेलमंत्र्यान मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेंत स्पश्टीकरण दिलां. नोकर भरती कॅबिनेटाची मान्यताय जायच अशी ना. मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन फायनल थाराव घेवपाचो पावर आसा. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The major decision in this cabinet is a decision which is in real sense a reform in the administration. The current problems of recruitment, getting delays, sometimes people not getting salaries in time is actually linked to various government procedures which are being followed. There are three departments which deals with giving approval for employment, though they don't employ themselves. One is ARD, Administrative Resource Division, which actually should analyze the requirement of department. प्रत्येक department requirement analyze करून they have to agree or disagree a particular post. They can declare certain post redundant. After that, personnel department also has to check up from their angle whether the post does not mismatch some other post, which will create confusion. The third is financial approval based on the financial status of the state as well as of the department what is provided to them. We give approval. After that, the matter goes to the cabinet. Now, today we have taken a major decision in which this process has been changed into a collegiate system. Process will remain, but all three departments will sit together with the concerned department which requires the post. And these three departments in collegiate way, that means the file will not move. It will be discussed across the table and whatever approval has to be granted will be granted. Rather, will be recommended to a high-powered committee chaired by me, because all these three departments are under me, personnel, ARD and finance. And that committee will have chief secretary with personnel secretary, ARD secretary and finance secretary. That committee of four will finalize whatever has been recommended by joint secretaries committee. So the process which otherwise takes 1.5 years, 2 years can be done in 30 days. In certain cases even less. So this is one major administrative reform for which cabinet has given approval. And another 15 days the process should be 15-20 days. The process will start. I expect first or second week, first few results by this month end or at the first week of December. Thereafter, the department will be permitted to go for their recruitment by advertising the various posts available with the department.